Hello all. How to prepare attractive presentation by using Prezi. By using Prezi, we can create attractive presentation. How it is possible? See, we can create attractive presentation. We can present effectively. We can share this link to anyone. We can make the presentation in collaborative manner. So these are the features available in Prezi. For example, we click yes. So we can create. We can pick a template. We can customize. We can pick a template. So already pre-templates are available. So we can make customize our own presentation. We can change the background or we can change the image and we can select our layout of our topics. Yes, we can add content based on our need. And next, we can present effectively. So there may be three options. Conversational presenting. So we can focus on our topic and our presentation. Yes, this is the presenter view. And we can use mobile apps also. And we can next step is share option. Okay, so we can share the link and we can get a analysis. So this is the analysis. Okay, analysis of our presentation. And next step is we can make it a collaborative form. We can easily prepare any presentation in an interactive manner and dynamic manner. Okay, through the following steps. Thank you. Do you want to prepare this interactive visual presentation? Now let's see how to prepare this visual interactive presentation by using Prezi. Now let's see how to create attractive presentation by using Prezi. By preparing presentation, we can interact with the visuals on the screen by using Prezi. We can also use this presentation on online platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, etc. So now let's see how to create a quote and how to create attractive presentation by using Prezi. So you have to click sign up option. Once you click sign up, you can get a pop-up window like this. So you can fill out the form or you can straightly sign up with the Google. As I selecting my Gmail ID to create account. So I have already created account from Prezi. So this is the home page of Prezi where you can select the default presentation. You can make it for your own presentation or video presentation. Okay, so I have already selected the default presentation of Prezi introduction. Okay, so let me demonstrate how to edit this presentation. Now let this click edit option. Yes, we get the page like this. Yes, so on left side you can find the slides 1 2 3 and 3 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 19, 20 to 21. Usually in PowerPoint presentation, there will be slides in sequence order. But here, so important slides will be there. Okay. So within the important main topic, there will be subtopics. Okay. So now let's see how to create, how to edit this. Right. For example, I can click here. This is the first slide, and I can also click here. Okay. I have already edit my name. Okay. If you click here, so create attractive presentation is there. The text is already there. Now you can edit based on your need. Okay, based on your need, you can edit like that. In every box, you can click and you can edit. So you can maximize and you can click here and you can maximize. Okay, like that you can fit in your choice. Similarly, you can go to the next slide. See here, there will be a different options based on the main heading create, right? So all these text and all the boxes, all the color will be default. Okay, now you want to edit the particular text or color. Okay, and I can go to the next slide. Okay, so in that slide I can edit, I can insert picture. If you click here, you can get the toolbar here. In top you can find the toolbar, right? There you can find title, subtitle, and font size, font, bold, italic, alignment, everything is there. And you can also select the layout also. You can select the layout. Yes, you can select the layout. Right. And I go back. So like that you can edit slide by slide. Okay. So after that you have to go to present mode. Right side you can find present option. Okay. So when you present in online mode, you can present by clicking presentation. Yes, you can get the page like this, and you can click here presenter view. Yes, now you can move to the next one. For example, if you click, this is the first slide, and this is the second, and this is the third, this is the fourth. Okay, like that you can go on viewing. Now you want to create video presentation, or you want to interact with the visuals, you can go to Prezi video or create video option. You can find the options on the right side. Allow camera access, you can select the camera mode. Okay, you can allow camera, and you can get the different way we can interact with the presentation in visual panel. Okay, so by using Prezi, we can prepare this attractive presentation. We can interact with the visuals like this. So this will be more innovative and interesting towards our presentation. Hope this video is useful. Thank you.